And about the medicinals in Chinese medicine, about the single herb, the first we suggest the 2 狮子. Normally we use 12 to 15 grams. And some doctors prefer to higher dosage of 2 狮子. For example, some doctors use 60 gram. And for me, I use 30 gram. But for you are working in Western countries, do not use it in high dosage. And because for Westerners, it's so sensitive. So I suggest you to use 12 to 15 gram of 2 狮子 because it can tonify the kidney. And this is a very good medicine, 2 狮子. It can tonify the yin of the liver and the kidney. And the second one is 覆盆子. And it can tonify the yin of the liver and the kidney, but also can warm the kidney yang. And 鹿茸. And because when we tonify the yin, so it needs the assistance of the yang. So usually we use a little bit 鹿茸, the deer at home, for the patients of the kidney yang deficiency. For example, the patient appears like lumbar soreness, cold lumbar, and clear and long urine, cold limbs. So I suggest you use some 鹿茸, the deer's home, and use it in lower dosage, 3 gram. Do not use it in high dosage because it's warm and dry. So I suggest you use a little bit 鹿茸. And also I suggest use 八几天 and 子时阴. And about the 子时阴, it can warm the uterine. It acts along the due meridian. In ancient classical, and it's the cold can affect the uterine, and the 子时阴, it can improve the generation and endometrium. And in modern science, we find the 子时阴 has action similar to estrogen. For example, for the girl who has a poorly generated uterine, because of the low estrogen, we can use 子时阴. Because it can warm the uterine and warm the Gabardine vessel and warm the kidney.